Hello guys, good morning and good day to all of you. I just wanna share kung paano mag-cancel ng WOW or mag-unsubscribe sa WOW dito sa Kupang. So first step ay pindutin natin tong Kupang. Open natin Kupang. Then dito sa profile. Okay, the next dito sa setting. Next is setting guys. Dito setting, pindutin natin setting. The next is pindutin natin tong WOW membership. The next, scroll down, click the cancel. The next, scroll down ulit, scroll down, then yan, pindutin natin to out of WOW only benefits. Then click this lose WOW coupon, and then complete cancellation request. You have canceled your WOW membership. Okay guys, so click OK, and ayun na. Ayun, nawala na yung WOW membership natin.